guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Queen Tina, and we're back with another video. In this video I'm with my brother and we'll be doing the never have I ever challenge. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you're here before, just remember to like the video, leave your comments in the comment section below. But without any further questions and so on, let's get into the video. First question. Never have I ever threw up food on the floor. I have.
I have not.
Never have I ever done something wrong and blame my sibling.
I know you do that a lot.
You do it too. Never have I ever lied. Hey, Jesus.
I have everybody lying alive.
Yeah, I do. The amount of time. Never have I ever broken a dish while cooking. I have.
I don't know, I can't recall anything like that.
You never broken a dish while in the kitchen?
Huh?
Alright. I have. Never have I ever gotten stung by a bees. You have to get stung.
All once, fat up me.
Mainly, it's the funny thing. I mainly my arm, my leg and hand. I don't really get the whole head.
Last time I went, when I see two in my temple, I remember I time I jump back and look for bird.
You remember the vaccine and sent the head.
Hey.
I mainly get over my body, not really my eye nor so. So, not that one. Never have I ever gone to the strip club.
Whenever I was strip club yet.
Oh no.
I have.
I said, I see them strippers. Twerking.
Yeah.
Said, in a tipper.
Never have I ever.
Splash her down.
No, I'm not gonna watch her one in my life. I never did stay long anyways.
Oh.
Never have I ever worn someone else's underwear.
That's
No,
Oh, no.
I believe so. If you have
Yeah,
one, you don't share them personal stuff.
Me kind of scarring full, so that wouldn't happen. Never have I ever deleted a post on social media because it doesn't get the amount of likes you're expecting.
I mean, I do that either.
Once me post, whether you want like it or not, it's staying. I like Santi though.
You want something like you like.
Do it for your hype. Lisa. Never have I ever regretted an apology. I have. You me tell you sorry and then after you make it look as if I know nothing or you know believe me, me regret it actually. Simple. Never have I ever pretended to be sick. Where is it me no want to do nothing? I have.
Yeah, pretend now.
Where if I want it for work and you know, me not see me do it since recently, but one time.
Oh, that's right.
Never have I been alibi for a lying friend. I have. Mother call me and say the daughter they with me there. You never
That's
did it.
true, me pick up a people.
Yeah, me do it for you if me know say, you know when person get one no leak. But if you never tell me about it, me sorry, me don't know where they. Me do it, pick up your people. And I pray so they not call nobody else. When no way, I know say person that did it. Never have I act as if I like something that someone cooked when I disliked it.
If it tastes bad, it tastes bad. Me not say it tastes good.
I have, just then I have no hard feelings.
Me no reason it, your heart would have cheer up.
But you will know because me not eat a whole like me sorry.
If you not cook good, me I tell you to your face, man. They're going, in time I tell you, you're going to go try to do better next time.
Never have I ever believed someone is haunted. I know, sometimes person ask somewhere, me swear say something stupid upon them. Never have I left someone unread. That mean you read the message and you don't reply to it, even if they could have replied to it. Of course.
What did I tell you?
All the time. Whereas if I like somebody you don't really want to talk to, like that. But that's really honest. And until the next day, I reply. Or sometimes I see person text back and say, oh, come in now. And I'm like, I was getting to it.
Man, I tell you, like, if me text you and text back in a 2 days for me reply back to you. So I already know.
Oh boy. Never have I lied about my age.
I say, I'm proud of my age.
Depend on the situation.
Oh man, I want to call me young.
Alright, me tell you how I lie. If like me at the on the road and persons, you know, if person start look you down, especially man, me always say me a minor. Me usually do it one time and start laugh when me done. So yeah, me do it already. And like if me want to get in somewhere one time I'm the younger, yeah. So me am 18 now, and they say with ID them me took off gone.
Where's the ID young lady?
Yeah. Never have I ever slept outdoors the entire night. Never done? Me don't think so, no?
Never.
Woman that you tell like we don't have to do it out there with the sheet cover up with leg until she let window. But we never sleep out there.
Because of you that did that.
Uh-oh.
I could get locked out.
So yeah, we usually cover up, but we never sleep out there. It was just a couple of hours. Never have I given or received a lap dance. Man, a dancer. You never get a lap dance, right, girl? You know dance and you saw a dance, man.
That's not lap dance. Lap dance is then still on your chair.
So you never get none?
When I do lap dance.
And you never get none from a girl?
They get our dance, not what lap dance.
You sticky pan you.
Hey, when I say tell me young still.
You did in the more quiet time.
Damn man. It is different still.
Never have I ever ate an entire pizza by myself.
That's so greedy.
Me always want to do it, but because you know you have siblings that you share with her, so or somebody ever come and beg your piece. But yeah, I always want to do one by myself. And I will because when I just I don't eat it.
After your pizza.
Oh, but wait. Yeah, me eat a medium size one by myself.
After
So.
you buy one pizza and I'm curious to put everybody I say not today.
We can't do that because I feel that way.
Feel that way. And let me tell you this man, sometimes I just want to enjoy it by yourself.
So I can't tell them not today.
After your money, what may I go do? Can't go run along and say I want to. After me, you put no money towards it. I believe sometimes you enjoy by yourself.
Okay, no question, man. Never have I ever laughed until I pee my pants.
I'm not telling you better put stuff you do. We know that.
No comments.
Yeah, I can't get to know.
I have no comments.
joke sweet teenager, just see water run down like.
Me usually do it, so yeah.
Anytime I'm younger.
You have more younger, so yeah. Never have I ever gone through someone's stuff. Everybody knows stuff I go through.
Yeah, I say it too.
Me never do that.
You search me things.
Well, until I said me.
I will never send me searching.
When I search on this, I get permission.
Once I need something in a place, me searching.
Afraid I woke up and it bing back.
Never have I tried marijuana.
No, sir.
I have smoked before.
Never smoked that.
Try that. I've been a hell.
But I say nothing to be nice. You never do smoke cigarette?
Yes, cigarette, that's it.
I smoke that, brother.
Well,
Marijuana,
I
she
said.
said.
Oh, yeah, light.
Never have I sent a sex text to the wrong person.
Well, we do that a lot. But then again, this a text me then one of the me a text message and you press on it and you just send off to your wrong. I just say, oh.
Never do that. You need to stop and take so much, girl.
Oh, a friend them, but in time I text as your partner and you don't know. Message you jump and just coming up on top of
Can't do
yourself.
a smack and fuck after this and I get 3 back up.
Never have I ever went 24 hours without taking a shower. We can't do that.
You know, until we younger. I tell you,
When we younger.
I mean, remember that. Although, when we were young still, we didn't really have much sense.
Go one day without bed.
Yeah, you forget to read it.
One time.
And I look that happened, remember that.
Yeah, when we did a little, I was in between the age of 6 and 7 and 10.
Remember from 4 to 7.
Alright, we do it already then. Never have I ever kissed more than one person within 24 hours.
Yeah, friendly chops on the cheek and so.
Me and go mainly hug my friend them, not kiss my friend.
I don't really like everybody gonna put mouth on me.
Never have I ever had a one night stand.
I played the 5th on this, and then I put up nothing.
Yeah, for put up the paper.
Never have I used a fake ID. I never have any.
Never have a fake ID.
Never have I ever skipped out on a bill. Yeah, me have my moments when I like pay for things
Yeah,
sometimes.
man. She not go buy ice cream and then done till
That's
I
why I
you
never
buy.
skip out on a bill. And go with that time and spend money and then bike here come.
Never have I ever broken up with someone. I must have one ex, I better put
I
up.
have a lot too. You know, go with me, me left you.
Should I in this now?
If I can't agree, I just left it first.
Oh,
Simple.
if me I talk man and you say something I like even make me feel that way. The next morning I wake up see a text say it's over.
Yo, we do it one night we do what the other day.
Never have I ever went skinny dipping. Gone naked in a place.
That's that.
I'm not so skinny dipping me in alone. You're going there.
That's it. Skinny dipping. I remember that it. When I chance,
Yeah, I miss a lot.
when I chance water and every time I see you.
Alright. Never have I made a bet and lost.
Yeah.
Bet and last.
Yeah, make run bet and lose. I
Yeah?
have.
We never join none so.
Mummy afraid
I
I
am
lose. I have.
I'm not.
Oh, you're not. Never have I ever rode a bicycle. Oh, Jesus. You see, that's something that almost killed me all the time. Just even not trying to learn how to do it.
Okay.
Never have I ever fallen in love at first sight. Love at first sight, you see, and I fall in love.
And we see that happened to me in time, eh? Little.
Not me. Mm-mm. Never have I gone into the bush hunting. Bird and nest someday when you're little and so, yeah.
Oh, yes. They
Oh,
have
yeah.
a shoot bird.
And go kill lizard.
Oh, we go crazy what, man.
Never have I ever chipped a tooth. Me a teeth crack.
And bite sitting on it.
Yeah, I have. I have to eat with plastic stuff as it relates to spark.
That never happened to me
I
yet.
have sharp teeth. Never have I ever text on my phone while walking and bumped into anyone.
My skills so in time I text from my phone and I bounce up in anybody.
I have. First just like a bounce and I'm boom.
So you know look on the road.
100% down on the phone.
You know that. Somebody come and take you away.
Never have I ever woken up and can't move. I have. Especially me have to sleep on my side. Feel numb.
So they have really meme them. Well, wait a minute.
Never have I ever have a crush on any of my parents' friends. Whether a woman is a boy or...
Never. That is
Nah.
I'm not going to fall in on my league.
Truth. Final one. Oh, I said this. I said, why is this so spicy? Should we do it? Or should we not do it? Should we do it or should we not do it? What kind of question is? Should we do it?
Come on, do it there.
Sorry, skip that one there. That one that's too juicy. And we leave it there, guys. We have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.